Wanted to talk a little bit about the aftercare and the pre-care for 1540 fractional. Now, for the pre-care of the 1540 fractional, you do need to be careful with the exfoliants that you're using. And exfoliants are glycolic acid, salicylic acid, anything that removes the dead skin, you have to try to avoid for 7 days. So please be careful with that. And then if you have any topical prescriptions from your doctor, like a Retin-A or Tazorac prescription, you do need to stop that 12 days prior. Now, in the sun, if it is the hot summer, you can still do these treatments, but you do have to be careful 12 days prior. So SPF 60 every 2 hours. So that is for the pre-care. So you just have to be very gentle. No hydrogen peroxide for 7 days. Avoid the vitamin C for 7 days, and tea tree oil. Anything that's too drying, you want to avoid as a pre-care. Now, if you have olive tone skin, you will need to get a complex of a skin lightener just to neutralize that melanin. It's not going to remove any of your natural coloring. It's just to neutralize that melanin so you don't get any stimulation of the melanin when we're actually doing the treatment, so you don't have any darkness. And then the aftercare for the fractional, what you have to do is just make sure that you're very gentle with your skin. It's very easy. You have a little bit of aloe vera at home and polysporin. When you get at home, you can ice after 2 hours for at least 5 minutes, because we actually want that heat to come up. So you don't want to use anything that makes your skin heal too fast. And if you can avoid using Advil or Tylenol or any anti-inflammatories for a day or two, that would be great, because we actually want to stimulate. So no reaction, no action. So you're not going to go home and use any of those creams that make you heal too fast. And for the aftercare, if you have olive tone skin, you do want to use that skin lightener again, just about 7 to 10 days after, for about a week, just to make sure that we neutralize any melanin. And again, it's not going to change your own skin color. It's just to make sure that no new melanin comes up with the treatment. And please avoid any heat afterwards. So what that means is that you don't want to go sit under a heat lamp right after treatment. Avoid saunas and steaming for at least 7 days. And you don't want to be jumping into a hot shower the day that you've had the treatment. So you want to keep the skin nice and cool.